Anywho, now we're gonna go straight to color correcting. But I am gonna actually spritz my face with a little bit of this Mulani Make It Last, just to get my face nice and wet. And instead of going in with the NYX, I'm gonna go in with the ABH Cosmetics, this little nice orange shade, and put it all over my face real quick. And I'm gonna usually just do this like under my eye and stuff like that, and you know, make it look really cute. And you know, we can't have no discoloration. Nothing at all. I'm just gonna blend this in a little bit. Alright, now that we did that, I'm gonna set it real quick, like I'm gonna set my whole face. And I'm just using the Coty Air Sponge in the shade Translucent. Now I'm going to go in with foundation. And I'm going to go into two shades today, guys. I'm going to go into the Moonlight Conceal and Perfect foundation in the shade Light Beige right here. And then I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Golden Beige. I like to mix a lighter beige or a neutral beige with a golden beige, just because it actually gives me that nice undertone that I like. Because I have a mixture between a yellowish, goldish, and sometimes pink, just depending on what time of the year it is, you know. So there we go. There we go. Now we're gonna go with a little bit of concealer. And I think I'm gonna be using the ColourPop, and I'm gonna use this just because it's a little brightening, and my foundation's a little like goldish. I just want to add a little bit of color back to my under eye. Alright, now that I got my ColourPop on, we're going to take a damp beauty blender. Alright, now let's go ahead and set our eyes and shit. So I'm gonna go and use my Born This Way setting powder. Like, do you see that? Looking really snatched, girl. Now we're gonna get back into the ABH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in this with my Taiwan bronzer using the Morphe M527 brush. I'm loving this look. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E62 brush. I'm just gonna go back into that shade. I'm just gonna pinch this nose real quick. Alright, I just snatched my nose a little bit. I'm gonna let that bake. Next, I'm gonna go add a little bit of blush. And I'm gonna go in with the ABH Trio, and we're gonna go into this right here. I think we're gonna keep it in with the shade Nectar, but I wanna go with Ginger, because Ginger is a nice, like, warm, orangish yellow, I said orange yellow. Orangish pink shade. But I really wanna just go into Nectar, because Nectar is like this very pink-ish neutral shade. Then I'm gonna go back and take this. Mind you guys, that was the E48 brush I used just for the apples on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna go back in with the M527 brush. And we're just going to use this to blend the two together with my contour. Just so it can look snatched, honey. Snatched. Yes, yes, yes. Now we're going to go into the Milani setting spray. We're just going to set our face real quick. Hello. Hello. Now we're going to go on a little bit of highlighter. And guys, you've seen this. I've been holding on to this little beauty right here. And this is the Tribal Highlighter Volume 2. There's 3. I have all 3. However, this one right here fits my skin tone very well. So actually, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M501 brush right here. And I'm going to dip into that. And the reason why I sprayed my face was so that my powders can set, but also this highlighter can be blinding. I'm just going to add the highlighter right up here. Oh, that is so pretty. Now we're going to go into lips real quick. And then I think I'm going to do my under eye. And then glue this lash back on. That lash is literally like getting on my nerves. Like guys, you can see it lifting and it's irritating me. I'm going to go in with this Milani lip shade called Spice. And I love to do this because it gives me a nice like warm lip that I think will go really good with this lip. I mean this look. Now that I got my lips overdrawn and actually shade in a little bit, I'm going to go in with this NYX Lingerie. And this is the shade Baby Doll. You guys know that I love this. Them lips are really pretty. Now let me go on with this Milani lip gloss real quick, just to add on top of this. When I do crazy eye looks, I feel like I have to do a nude lip, just because I feel like if I add color, it'll be too much going on. So now let me do my brows and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna fix this lash while I'm gone, okay? Alright guys, so the brows are on, the eyeshadow is finished. Guys, do not be scared of using bright colors. Step out your comfort zone and don't just stick with your browns, warm tone, neutrals. Like have fun. Like I said, all these palettes right here from Juvia's literally created this look. You don't need to buy all these palettes to achieve a look, but I have all the Juvia's palettes and I want to start using them more instead of just using like the James Charles or Jeffree Star eyeshadow palettes. I do have others, so I'm really trying to dig deep into these and see what I can do to create like interesting looks. Anyway guys, I love you. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll be back for another one next week. So you're gonna get 2. It's gonna be the eye look and then the face, and then I'll do another one which is gonna be a very simplistic look, an everyday look for you guys. And then I'm gonna get back to going back to the color, because like the color is like really coming to me. Like I feel like I'm going to a festival, a carnival. Like, oh, beautiful. Love you guys. Bye.